Welcome to BioThoughts. So let's go to the second part of the Living World chapter NCRT line by line series. So the previous class we discussed this first page, and now we are going to the second page of this NCRT plus one textbook. So it is see we can see this Ernest Mayer. It is a very simple lines to learn. That is Ernest Mayer, 1904 to 2004. So see, in this we can see that his birth was on 1904 and 2004 it his death. So there is a connection in this birth and death dates, right? And 100 years of age he is having. So now we will go to his date of birth, that is 5th July 1904 in Kempten, the place called as Kempten and Germany. And Ernest Mayer, the Harvard University evolutionary biologist. So from this we got an idea that he is in Harvard University doing his career as evolutionary biologist, and that he is also known as the Darwin of 20th century because he have given something contribution to this evolution part also maybe. And so we will go through that, and was one of the 100 greatest scientists of all time, this Ernest Mayer. And Mayer joined the Harvard faculties of arts and sciences in the year 1953, okay, and retired in the year 1975. So for this to remember, you can see that 1953 and 1975. This 5 repeats, and 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 1 is 7. So some correlation you should make. And so assuming, and even that in here also see the 5, after that the 6 should come, but the 7 came, so one number is missing. So likewise you should add, like, correlate these terms. Assuming the title Alexander Agassiz Professor of Zoology Emeritus, so he is known as the Alexander Agassiz Professor of Zoology Emeritus. So it is a title which is given to him after his retirement, and throughout his 80-year career his research spanned ornithology, study of birds and taxonomy, the classification of plants and animals, zoo geography, that is a particular locality area of these animals, and studying that geography, and evolution, and how they evolved, and all systematics, the scientific study, and the history and philosophy of biology. So he almost single-handedly made this origin of species diversity the central question, that is how the species diversity origined. That question he made the central question that of evolutionary biology that it is today. He almost handled the single-handedly, that is he were able to give a definition for biological species. He also given single-handedly some answers to this origin of species diversity, and he also pioneered that the currently accepted definition of biological species. So who pioneered the definition regarding the biological species? We can say that yes, it is Ernest Mayer, and Mayer was awarded the 3 prizes. And so we can say that I called this that BIC, BIC. So Balzan Prize, International Prize for Biology, and Crawford Prize. And see the year 1983, and see another number 1990. Then this repeats. I mean 1990. See 3 plus 1 4, and then 1999. Okay. So the Triple Crown of Biology, the Balzan Prize in 1983, International Prize for Biology in 1994, Crawford Prize in 1999, and Mayer died at the age of 100 in the year 2004. So see my friends, that's all regarding the second page of this NCRT plus one chapter, The Living World. So keep watching, and it's me, the BioThought, signing off.